So we just arrived at our hotel in Valdosta. We are at the Home 2 Suites by Hilton.
Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me
Hey friends, so we finally made it to our room. Okay, this is the light. Let's turn it around. Here's your closet. This is your refrigerator. I opened it the right way this time. Wow. It's the top. This is the freezer part down here. Ice chest. Microwave. Got more cups, glasses, coffee area. Let's look in here. Oh, they got a dishwasher with dishes in there. Right here, they have a table with chairs. They have a phone. This your living room. They got another table and a chair where you can sit at and do some work. TV. Your window with all the light. I like that. That's a huge window. This is your couch that also lets out into a bed. Like that. Now, let's go in here. They have a room. This is a bedroom. Yes. So you have another window here, a closet. Let's turn the light. The lights are not that bright in here. I guess that's why they have the window. Let's see. Let's let this up. Yeah, because we definitely need that. It's a rainy day here in Valdosta. So you have like your dresser with your little drawers. Let's see, right here. Right up under there. TV, remote control. Here's your bed, nice big bed. There's another phone there. Whew. They have a mirror here, friends. A mirror. And this is the bathroom. Oh, when I stepped in here, the light came on for me, huh? So that's your shower. Let's see what they have in here. Okay, so they don't have there's no tub. No tub in there, so you just got a shower. Stand-up shower. That's it. So if you have kids, they're gonna have to take a shower. Okay, here's your vanity area. There's your towels up under there, your tissue, extra tissue. Yeah, they got a nice mirror there. Hey, Prince, hey. So, and what is this? This is another entrance to go out. So I'm gonna just do a swing. Sorry for such a quick room tour. Yeah, so this is it. Oh, privacy. So you can close this door to the bathroom for your privacy in your bedroom, and then you can close this door too. This door closes too. See that? And then you just have your privacy just in this bedroom. So this is a nice room, nice suite.